Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms that helps me to make about $10,000 a month. I currently manage several sites and I have had success with both e-commerce stores and content-based affiliate sites. Not too long ago, I also ventured into selling my own digital products online, and that's where I first started using the platform. Let's not waste any time and let's get started right now.
Ecwid, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of setting up an online store, you're not alone. I've been there, and I've tried multiple e-commerce solutions. But let me tell you, my experience with Ecwid has been a game changer. Here's why. When I first stumbled upon Ecwid, I was struck by its user-friendly interface. Setting up an online store, adding products, and managing orders was a breeze. I was particularly impressed by the range of customizable design templates that allowed me to tailor my store to match my brand's aesthetic. What sets Ecwid apart for me is its platform-agnostic nature. I already had a blog and a social media presence, and Ecwid seamlessly integrated with these platforms. This meant I could sell my products directly from my existing online spaces without the hassle of setting up a separate online store. Plus, the mobile apps for iOS and Android made it incredibly easy to manage my store on the go. Ecwid also comes with a suite of marketing and SEO tools that have been invaluable in optimizing my online presence and attracting more customers. From social media integration to email marketing and SEO features, Ecwid has it all. The detailed analytics and reporting tools have also been a boon, helping me track my performance and make data-driven decisions. Another feature that won me over is Ecwid's support for multiple payment gateways and currencies. As someone who serves international customers, this was a huge plus. The platform also integrates with popular shipping carriers, making order fulfillment a smooth process. When it comes to pricing, Ecwid offers a free plan with basic features, which is great for small businesses or individual sellers like me who are just starting out. There are also paid plans with more advanced features and higher transaction limits, all competitively priced and without any transaction fees. In conclusion, my journey with Ecwid has been overwhelmingly positive. It's a flexible, user-friendly e-commerce solution that caters to businesses of all sizes. While it may lack some advanced features and integrations, it's a cost-effective and scalable option that has met all my needs. If you're in the market for an e-commerce solution, Ecwid is definitely worth considering. Podia. When I first stumbled upon Podia, I was skeptical. Another e-commerce platform, I thought. But boy, was I in for a surprise. Dive into my personal journey with this game changer, and you might just find the solution you've been searching for. But what truly set Podia apart for me was its all-encompassing approach. I've dabbled with other platforms before, and the constant need for integrations and additional tools was a nightmare. Podia was a breath of fresh air. Everything I needed, from email marketing to affiliate management, was right there. No more juggling multiple tools or fretting over added costs. Customization. Podia had me covered. I could tweak my storefront to mirror my brand, ensuring a seamless experience for my audience. The drag-and-drop editor became my best friend, allowing me to make changes on the fly without breaking a sweat. As someone who values community, I was thrilled with Podia's membership feature. I could create a private space for my members, fostering genuine connections and interactions. It felt like I was building a tight-knit family, not just a customer base. Of course, no platform is without its flaws. While Podia boasts a plethora of features, it might fall short for those seeking advanced functionalities in certain areas. For instance, its email marketing, though adequate for my needs, might not satisfy those craving intricate automation. On the financial front, Podia's transparent pricing was a godsend. No hidden fees lurking in the shadows. But a word of caution for budding creators. It might feel a tad heavy on the pocket initially. I must give a shout out to Podia's customer support. Anytime I hit a snag, they were right there, guiding me through. The wealth of tutorials, webinars, and articles was the cherry on top, ensuring I squeezed every ounce of potential from the platform. To wrap it up, my experience with Podia has been nothing short of transformative. It's a powerhouse for creators, blending functionality with user-friendliness. While it may not cater to everyone's unique needs, for many like me, It's the golden ticket to e-commerce success. Squarespace. At the heart of Squarespace's e-commerce offering is its commitment to design excellence. The platform boasts a selection of meticulously crafted templates that cater to a diverse range of industries and aesthetics. Each template is not only visually appealing but also optimized for sales, with integrated features that enhance the shopping experience for users. The customization options are vast, allowing store owners to tweak and tailor their online space to align perfectly with their brand identity, all without the need for coding. Ease of use is a standout feature of Squarespace. The platform's user-friendly drag-and-drop editor ensures that even those with limited technical expertise can craft and manage their online store with confidence. From product listings to payment integrations, every element is designed with simplicity in mind, making the process of setting up and running an e-commerce site seamless. When it comes to transactional features, Squarespace doesn't disappoint. The platform supports a variety of payment methods, from credit cards to digital wallets, catering to a global audience with diverse payment preferences. Additionally, the integrated shipping tools make logistics management straightforward, with options to set custom shipping routes, print labels, and even schedule pickups. Beyond the basics, Squarespace offers a suite of advanced e-commerce tools. The platform's analytics dashboard provides valuable insights into sales trends, visitor behavior, and conversion rates, empowering store owners to make informed decisions. There's also a focus on marketing, with built-in tools for email campaigns, SEO optimization, and social media integrations, ensuring that businesses can effectively promote their products and reach a wider audience. Security is paramount in the e-commerce world, and Squarespace rises to the challenge. The platform employs stringent security measures, including SSL certification, to ensure that customer data and transactions are protected at all times. Support is another area where Squarespace shines. With a comprehensive knowledge base, video tutorials, and 24/7 customer support, users can rest assured that assistance is always within reach. In conclusion, Squarespace's e-commerce solution is a blend of design excellence, user-friendliness, and powerful features. It offers a comprehensive toolkit for businesses to create, manage, and grow their online presence, making it a top contender in the e-commerce platform arena. Shift4Shop diving into the world of e-commerce. I was on a quest to find the perfect platform to launch my dream online store. Amidst the sea of options, a name that kept echoing in the corridors of the digital marketplace was Shift4Shop. My intrigue led me to explore this platform, and what unfolded was a journey worth sharing. Designing my store was a dream. With a plethora of templates at my disposal, I could craft a digital space that truly mirrored my brand's essence. And for those moments when I felt audacious, the platform allowed me to tinker with the code, giving me the freedom to sculpt a unique online presence. Adding products, managing inventory, processing orders, tasks that once seemed daunting were simplified by Shift4Shop. The platform's intuitive nature ensured that even as a newcomer, I navigated the e-commerce waters with confidence. As I envisioned taking my products to a global audience, Shift4Shop's features like multi-language support and currency conversion felt like wind beneath my wings. The platform's global vision resonated with my aspirations, ensuring I could reach customers across borders with ease. Payments, often a tricky domain, were seamless. With a myriad of payment gateway integrations, my customers enjoyed a smooth checkout experience, amplifying their trust in my brand. In the digital realm, visibility is key. Shift4Shop's arsenal of marketing tools, from SEO to email campaigns, ensured my store was always in the spotlight, attracting customers and driving sales. Security, a paramount concern in today's digital age, was something Shift4Shop handled with aplomb. With its stringent security protocols, I rested easy, knowing my customers' data was shielded. And whenever I hit a roadblock, Shift4Shop's stellar support was just a call away. Be it their 24/7 customer service or the treasure trove of resources in their knowledge base, help was always at hand. Shopify ever wondered how a snowboarding enthusiast like me ended up diving deep into the world of e-commerce? Let me take you on a journey of my personal experience with Shopify, a platform that transformed my passion into a thriving online business. A few years ago, I stumbled upon Shopify. What drew me in was its incredibly user-friendly interface. Trust me, I'm no tech guru. But with Shopify, I felt like one. Setting up my online store was a breeze, thanks to its range of customizable templates. I was able to give my store a unique flair, reflecting my personal style and passion. And the best part? The secure and reliable shopping cart solution ensured that my customers and I always had smooth and safe transactions. But the real game changer for me was the Shopify App Store. From inventory management to marketing automation, there was an app for almost every business need I could think of. As my business grew and evolved, Shopify seamlessly adapted to my changing needs. One of the most exciting features was Shopify's ability to support multiple sales channels. I wasn't just limited to my website. I expanded my reach across social media platforms, online marketplaces, and even set up a physical pop-up shop using Shopify POS. This truly omni-channel approach allowed me to connect with my customers in so many diverse ways. Being someone who's always conscious about expenses, Shopify's subscription-based pricing was a blessing. I started with their Elite version, selling on social media, and as my business expanded, I explored their advanced options. I only paid for what I truly needed. Payment processing was another area where Shopify shone. Their integrated payment gateway, Shopify Payments, was a dream come true. No more hassles with third-party integrations. And for those who have a preferred payment gateway, Shopify's got you covered with a plethora of third-party options. In today's age, where mobile shopping is the norm, my store's mobile responsiveness was crucial. Shopify ensured my store looked impeccable on all devices, enhancing the shopping experience for my customers. Beyond just the e-commerce platform, Shopify introduced me to their complementary products. Shopify Capital came to my rescue when I needed funding to scale my business. And the Shopify Fulfillment Network ensured my products reached my customers on time, every time. To wrap up my journey, Shopify has been more than just a platform for me. It's been a partner in my e-commerce journey, adapting and growing with me. Its user-centric design, adaptability, and comprehensive features have allowed me to focus on what I love most, sharing my passion and products with the world. If you're looking to embark on your own e-commerce journey, Shopify might just be the companion you're looking for.